Hi everybody, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Next to me right now is the undoubtedly hottest model on our lot, and that's the Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard, boat motor and trailer package. This particular one has the beautiful Sea Ray blue. Let's hop on board and let me show you around. Back here we have the upgraded Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke engine, Operation Bedrock. You know why it's called that, because it laid that bedrock foundation for Mercury to take that jump in the reliability. Standard on this boat's a 115, so we bumped it up a little bit, get a little bit faster. Top end's gonna be around 48-ish, something like that. Also, if you do have 5 or 6 full-grown adults on the boat, you're gonna be quick to get out of the hole. You notice this really light interior here. The actual name for it is the Ivory package. And what I like about it most is in Florida, it gets really hot. That sun can really bake this upholstery. However, even right now it's around noon, it's still gonna be cool to the touch, so you don't need to put a towel down if you're gonna sit. Brings me to my next point right here. It's a sunpad, great place to lounge out. You go in there though, you got all the storage in the world for your cover, which there is a snap cover included on this boat. As you guys have already noticed, there's a few things on this boat that make it a little bit more than a base model. Another one right here that you're not gonna see all the time, you got a live well. So if you like fishing in Florida, get a couple of live baits, no problem, who cares? If you're like me, you enjoy the attention to detail. That's why on this particular model, we've got the stainless steel upgrade, all the fixtures and stuff. It's the little things that count, right? Move over here, another one of those upgrades we were talking about. We got a Simrad multi-function unit, get your depth finder, your charts and stuff like that, and you're also gonna have a couple analog gauges too. Up here on the very bow, that's the whole point. It's a bow rider. You wanna ride on the bow. I know I've used that line a few times, but it's true. So the only thing missing up here is yourself and your family. So once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is a Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. Come on down and let's get you out on the water. Bye guys.